It seems you're the one giving your mother this favor, right? Oh! Oh wow! Oh wow! Yeah, you have done well. You have done well. You have done. Seriously, Mary, it's not. Oh yeah. Good job.
I thought nothing you not get there.
I deliver you in the name of Jesus. I think you deliver.
I don't even know my name. Let's have a come on.
Oh wow, you did well. You did. That's the end. That's the end, Mary.
Mary, it's okay. This one, go on.
It's your turn now.
Anytime I say I'm challenged, that's great. I say, no. I can't be calling Mama like this. One thing I will advise you in life, I don't wish anybody back. I'm about to come to you. Honestly, that is the truth. Oh my God. This cannot be happening. Oh my God. No way. I was stuck there. Oh, I won't do that. I beg put the things to the side. Now they are tired of this.
I use energy.
So hi guys, this is our last get together before I go to Dubai and get married to my my rich aunties here. It's just the motherhood that has kept them.
Hi guys, so anybody to hear about
This is our prepartum depression. Say hi. What do you have to say for Hillary that she's going to get married in Dubai?
Go and study hard. That is the most important.
Somebody I'm getting married.
Go and study hard.
What do you?
Hi, darling.
The light is not doing justice to us.
Hi.
Mm-hmm.
Grow in peace.
Thank you.
Go and study hard. And get yourself a boyfriend and explore the world.
Yeah, it's cool.
Explore.